Welcome to the Jetstar Vintage Helmet Part Replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor Mechanism Replacement. To open the visor mechanism in your Jetstar Vintage helmet, use an Allen key to open the visor screw. Insert it and rotate the visor screw anti-clockwise and gently pull it out. Remove the strip, then gently pull out the visor mechanism from its space as shown. Repeat the process for the other side of the helmet. You can also change the visor mechanism. Take a screwdriver to open the screws. Now gently pull out the visor mechanism. Place the new visor mechanism and press it back firmly into its holes. Then tighten the screws. To reinstall the visor back, first align the visor. Then slightly rotate and push the visor to engage in the mechanism. Place the strap back to its original position. Tighten the visor screw using Allen key. Finally, operate the visor to check if it is working properly. Cheek pad replacement. To remove the cheek pads, gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the snaps opening. Repeat the same for the other side. Now both the cheek pads detached from the helmet. To reinstall the cheek pads, push the cheek pad inside first and snap the cheek pads back in its place. Neck curtain replacement. Your Jetstar helmet comes with a replaceable neck curtain. To replace the neck curtain, first remove the cheek pads, then gently pull out the neck curtain plastic sheet from its space carefully from the back of the liner. To reinstall the neck curtain, insert the plastic sheet in its space as shown in the video, and finally snap the cheek pads back. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studs.com or get in touch with your nearest Studs dealership.